bro. So this is technical analysis number 1. So we're going to talk about how we zone in pan price and take trades overall. But everything what we learned from before, which is we start from like the candle and the wicks, support and resistance, higher time frame, lower time frame, risk management, all of them things there, highs and lows, and them things that I got involved in this, right? So the first thing we're gonna do is support and resistance, because that is the first thing. Like the first thing what we need to notice is the trend. We need to notice the trend. That is important. We're not going to analyze. So we're going to look upon the trend. So based upon how the market move, as I say, move down, up. This is not really a trend. This is not the full trend of the market. This is like an internal area, because we are day traders. People who are investing in Bitcoin long term will zoom out. As I said, the market is really in a downtrend, because Bitcoin did the 100,000. Now we drop down to 70,000, 60,000. So it is now in a downtrend. But in every trend, there is a move to the upside for even a little bit. So you can find trades basically anywhere in the market, right? Once you find some proper zones. And how we identify zones, the zones are identified using supports and resistance. So that's what we use to identify where the zone them there. So this is one zone right here. So this is one daily zone based on the past couple days. See? But overall Bitcoin is on a downtrend. But we are trying to find something for trade. We're a long-term investor, so we are wait. We want to find something right, like as soon as possible. We're not say right now, but as soon as possible. Now, we find an area where price do a whole heap of movements, and we find say there's a support down here, there's a resistance up here based on the past week or 2 weeks. Right? So day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Based on the past 2 weeks, right? So this is a 2 weeks worth of candle, right? So the other way they zoom out, what per months or years. Months and years this, bro. You see me? Months and years. But we are focused on the day. So the day, based on looking at it, the day is pushing back up and it's aiming for this high right here. See? So, in the back of our head, the market is trying to move up for a little bit, and we want to get a trade like from yourself to anywhere we get an entry, anywhere like up so this is a $2,000 worth of move. We take that. $2,000 enough move that. You see me? So we want some out of that, if you get what I say. Now the daily have to identify the zones for the direction where you want to concentrate on taking a trade. So more concentrate on taking trades moving up, not down, up. Because there's a support level here and the price will react off of that and start push up, right? The rest of the time frame like 4, 1, 30, 15 are basically for zoning more upon the price. So the 4-hour range is kind of too big, see? So 4-hour range kind of too big. This is 1 4-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour. I can't wait 12 hours to see what go happen here. So I need to get into the market somewhere off here. So we're going to zoom in again, bro, to a previous low on a 4-hour, previous high on a 4-hour. So 4-hour low. I'll find this thing I saw. Reason being, this a candle that still a make, don't make it can always turn red, right? But this print already, you can have to close before it become a zone. So them are print already, So I work with them there. We go down to E1 now, we still adjust the zone, The last time we have a supporter right there, so I move the zone there, so last time we have a resistance I not consider this a resistance. To me, this is a continuation from on the 1 hour. I'm going to explain that soon. But this is a resistance because we see reaction from up here. So 30 minutes. Now this is a resistance. So we have an internal resistance and we have the external one. So we're going to keep the zones active. Up on the 30 minute, we're going to draw the line above here. So just so make we know say the price can give us a reaction of this too in any event, right? Yeah. 15 minutes. Yeah. Reason why we are keep this here, so we are keep this yes sir. Let me see here, so alright, so last one, I'm gonna put this thing here, so my reason for that is I'm gonna use the last support level like right here, so or over here, so too. I'm gonna use that instead of them two here. Because this too close to the price now, so I'm gonna use that. And then my last resistance on the 15 will be something like yeah, so. So now that we're zoning in on the price, we kind of zoning in on the price. Yeah, so this is our last support, last resistance. Now we are gonna watch. We are gonna go on depending on if price breaks above here. If price close, if our 15-minute candle close like right after so, we draw on next zone. Yeah, so yeah, we learn that real time. No? So now that we kind of zoning on the price, we can wait to see what reaction we get from the support or the resistance, or we can create a new like an internal one when they make it, and then we trade from this as well. So we are going to wait. We are going to wait on this, but this is how we usually identify, like we narrow down on price and then we identify when we are going to wait for or which area we are going to trade from, because now we depend on 15 minute. If we zoom out, the 15 minute was a is a good set of movement going in there, but pan it they might want to add a daily one them. So price will take way longer to reach them part, yeah. So what we want to just catch, like if price want to break below this area, we can catch a trade moving down to this level. Or if we want to break above this, we catch a trade moving up to this level. So that's what we really look for. After this, we are going to talk about the type of entries then what we take and what need, as we say, support and resistance is key to every entry. Support and resistance is key to every entry because the price move off a zone. And once we reach one of them levels here, we're going to look for a particular candle or a particular entry setup for take with trade them. But as of now, this is one next thing in the market too. You can't rush it. You can't really just jump in at the market because you see it move green, so you want to go green with it. No. Patience is one of them things that we are. Alright. This is your thing where you are trade and you know reach your level yet for you to take a trade. So you just have to wait. Although just monitor it on trading view. You can set alerts on it. You go right click. Where is it? Where there? Add alert. Right here so. Alright. So once price reach to the level there, it'll go alert me. It'll send me a message. I'll put an alert as too. Trading view come with this. You see me? With this a feature here, most other platforms don't have it. You just have to watch it, right? So the important part of this now, I have to just wait upon the entry and then we take it. So at this moment we wait. But the important thing is support and resistance level after identifying the direction where you want to trade in. And the way you find out the direction where you want to trade in, you have to find out the overall trend of the market in a whatever time frame you look at it at, and then you take either continuation, which a continuation is if the price is in an uptrend, you take the trade for price to continue moving up, or if you want to do a reversal, if you think the price reach a level where it got turn back, you enter from this of the price turn back. That's a reversal, isn't it? So that's a technical number one.